Hi everyone, I'm reviewing the US E-mini future trade review on the Friday, and you can see that beside the recovery on Thursday yesterday, that there's a doji bar. Okay, so that means that there's probably still upside, but we won't probably will not see a huge consecutive bull bar for the next few bars. And today is Friday. We'll see what the bar by bar analysis. Okay, for Globex pre-market. Okay, for Globex pre-market, that it has been buying, but in the last minute there's a sell-off. This is the 15-minute Globex chart, right? So likely you can see that, and the market open around the here, right? So we'll see that what does it go straight up or trading range. Okay, so let's see. So bar one, it's a follow through for the breakout. So we can see that it's a breakout one, breakout, and then follow through bar number one. Let me just bring here a bit more. Bar number two, okay, it went above bar number one, but then it's a bear bull bar, so bear bar. We'll see number three. Okay, and interestingly, bar number three, it's break below, but then you can see a huge sell below, and then bring close to bar number one, in the way that it's a buy entry, it's a signal bar for three, so we can likely place here entry long, but I did not because on the Globex, it's not exactly a good buy. Context wise, it's not that great. Okay, we'll see what bar number four. Okay, and ideally bar number four is a breakout and closest to Globex high. Sorry, yesterday's Globex high. Yes, yesterday's high here, and it's stalling. Yeah, take profit here and break out again. Yeah, I still haven't entered yet, and we broke above Globex high. So likely we might be aiming for measure move here. Bar number 7, stalling. It is one tick above and stalling. And this bar number 8 is an inside bar. Okay, is an inside bar. So small chance that it will break out above, but will not go too much further up. Okay, it broke, but still within the 7, 10, and go even further. Yeah. So 12 is a very strong bear bar. So many bulls will take profit here, and bears will try to create some kind of resistance, reverse. But this is the very first bear after a strong bull channel. So at most, it will likely go for a trading range instead of a bear trend right from bar 12. Okay, bar 13. Okay, so on here I'm trying to enter short, which is a mistake because I should have waited. The context is that if the bear got a third bar, likely you go for a trading range first and down, if at most. And I place a short entry here, which I think on the hindsight is a mistake because I have a rule that I should wait for the bar closes to enter, but I did not. Now my bar, as you can see, I place it here, and it took out bar 7, 8, 9 low, which I entered short here, but then the market quickly reversed up back to here, right? So in a way that the context is that I can only do market order or place the breakout if I am betting on the breakout. But this is the context clearly is going to be trading range at most. So this is my mistake today. And go even further, my stop loss is here, so now I'm sweating because there's a possibility that you will go for 1, 2, 3. This is a third leg, but I might go here. All right, now market, the bull is stalling here. Okay, this is another inside bar, so I'm sweating again because from here, likely might go up or go down a bit. Still inside bar. Okay, now bear 2-back control and bulls. As Team Stout said, the music for bull stops singing here, so likely is going down. So from here, I'm thinking of adjusting my take profit all the way back up here to minimize the loss or here. But after seeing 20, after seeing 20, likely the bear will want to take out one tick below 14 because this is an obvious target for the bear. Many bull will enter here and stop loss one tick above below 14. So 20 is 08, it's an obvious target for the bear. So now from here, I shifted my stop loss just around here in 09. And I got fill here, right? And indeed, you can see that this is obvious target for the bear, one tick below 14. Yeah, I could have actually just put it here to trust the process. And the market quickly reversed, but there's still bear trying to get a second leg down. And bear fair kind of failed. This is a good entry, bull entry for the bull. Follow through and break. And bear, probably there's a channel. There's a bear probably wants to maintain that resistance here. But you can see that once the moving average is touched, the bull will want to come in strong. Bear. Okay, this is trading range, so it's a lot of limit order market condition. So both bull and bear can make money in this market condition. Okay, bar 32, it's a bull breakout, a higher high for above 26 and even above 16, right? So in a way that I think right now, after 32 market is kind of always in long, it started to create a higher high, not but haven't taken out a 12 yet. But then there's definitely higher lows, as you can see. Kind of inside bar, no breakout, and breakout 36. And from here, bear wants to make a control of 39, right? So in a way, that is this a good short end signal bar? Probably not. I think the bear will want to wait for another follow through and close below the second time to close below, because this is the very first time for the day for bear to close below the EMA. And indeed, there's no follow through. Bull take this bar as an entry signal to go above, bring back. Again, bull enter here again. Indeed, very strong. So I think right now, after 22, we can see that it's been a trading range price action. Okay. Bear trying to close. This is a 1, 2, 3. This is the third time that the bear closed below EMA. So if the follow through is not great, I guess that likely it's just going to be trading range and slightly bullish. So bar 52 and 53 bull managed to bring back again. And this is the highest of the day. And the sell-off only come after 62, 63. So here is a good entry bar, because after so many try to push back, even the bulls are not getting a measure move up. Okay, usually if the bulls are in control, they want to bring a measure move up to somewhere around here, but they haven't managed the bull, so I think the bull kind of like lose the momentum, and the bear try to sell off here. Here. Yeah, so this is the price action for today. So today's a good day in a way that I kind of break even with a little bit of a loss, but in a way that I make a new rule for myself about my entry, right? So it's about what is the context for me to enter market, enter market order, or place a entry based on the previous bar's price action, in a way that I can do that when I am betting on this is going to be a breakout with substantial move, right? But then the context for today is that after a strong bull channel, if it's going to break a bit below here, like it's just going to be a trading range and come back. I can go for a second entry here, and it's just very lucky that today I managed to save my trade without I think 18 points or 20 points loss, and I lose like maybe 3 ticks. One, two, three. Only 3 ticks. Yeah, so I have another rule for myself today. That's it. The review for today. Thank you very much.